Good day, I'm Glenn Paul Gayosa and I just received my unit Phantom 4 right here. Last year, nagkaroon ako ng interest sa drones. Then I did my research kung saan bibili since every drone company almost nasa ibang bansa. Well, I did my research kung sino yung mga local distributors and I found out that RC Victory World, siya yung official retailer ni DJI. Hindi naman ako nagtaka. Lahat naman ng parts na andito, accommodating din yung staff nila sa pag-assist sa akin. Then this year, na-release yung Phantom 4, then I think it's a worthy upgrade for the Phantom 3 series. So now, I give my trust to them again. I provided down payment and now, after few weeks, it arrives now. Anyway, I'll do my unboxing later, and for the reservation, the great discount for this one, including the free intelligent flight battery, I wasn't expecting this one. Well, anyway, thank you ma'am. Thank you RC Victory World.